Hey everyone, Selling Yourself, a motivational guide to personal branding. In today's competitive world, the ability to effectively sell yourself is crucial. Whether you are seeking a job, trying to advance in your career, or building a personal brand, selling yourself is not about boasting or being insincere. It is about showcasing your unique qualities, skills, and experiences in a way that resonates with others. Here is a motivational guide to help you master the art of self promotion. Number one, understand your value. Number two, craft your personal brand. Number three, communicate with confidence. Number four, tell your story. Number five, network effectively. Number six, embrace opportunities for growth. Number seven, be resilient. Number eight, leverage social media. Number nine, the last but not least, practice self care.